Anna Kendrісk is an American actress and a singer who began her career as a child actor in theatre productions. Her first role was in the 1998 Broadway musical High Society. She gave her film debut in 2003 Camp. She rose to fame in her prominent supporting role as ЈеЗզіса Зtаnlеу in the Twilight Saga. Early life. She was born on August 9, 1985 in Portland, Maine. Anna attended the Deerіng High School in Portland. She began her relationship with the director Edgar Wrіght in 2009 after meeting up in the sets of SSsott Rіlgrіm was. The world which broke up in early 2013. It is astonishing to know that Anna published her own memoir in 2016 named SSrarrу Lіttlе Nobodu. She also achieved recognition for starring as a Vesa Mіtshеll in the film series Pitch Perfect. Age, height and weight. Being born on 9 August 1985, Anna Kendrісk is a 36-year-old as of today's date, 21st February 2022. Her height is 1.57 meter tall and weight is 47 kg. Career. Kendrick's acting career starting when she was 12. She started to act in a theatre production in New York City. Her supporting role in 1998's Broadway musical High Society earned her a Theatre World Award. Her brilliant performance as a nerdy fantasy ज़ingеr in her very first film, Camp, gave her recognition and many awards. Awards and achievements. Kendrick is the winner of a Theatre World Award in 1998. She won 3 awards for Up in the Air movie for the Best Supporting Actress in 2009 from a Austin Film Critics Society, Austin Film Critics Association, and from the National Board of Review. She is also the recipient of the Rising Star Award from Palm Sporting International Film Festival for the movie Up in the Air 2010. In the same year, she won the award from Toronto Film Critics Association for the category Best Supporting Actress and the MTV Movie Award under the category Best Breakthrough Performance for the movie Up in the Air. Net worth and salary. As of February 2022, the estimated net worth of Anna Kendrісk is $15 million, which was accumulated after becoming an actress. Before the Twilight and Pitch Perfect, her estimated net worth was around $3 million. After she wowed Broadway audience with her performance in the 1998 production of High Society, she made a splash with her feature film debut in the 2003 comedy musical Camp. Which rose her to fame, ultimately leading to augmentation of her salary in the upcoming projects. Being a theatre artist at the beginning of her career, she learned a lot which made her give an exuberant bang entering the Hollywood industry. With her excellent makeover attracting many fans through her amazing acting skills. She was recognized internationally for her portrayal of newbie corporate Natalie Kinner in Up in the Air, which was released in 2009.